Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I recently got two watercolor sets of the same brand and I thought I should do a color chart and a demo video. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Here's the first one. It has 12 colors and it comes with this watercolor brush. I already filled it with water. This is not an unboxing video. I already used them once off camera. And here's the pencil, the charcoal pencil. It also has an eraser, a sponge, and then the 12 colors. As you can see, I have already used them. It's just once. Here's the second one of the same brand. It comes in this fancy little bag with this velvet texture. I really like it. This box is so elegantly packed. It also contains most of the things you got in the smaller pack. This one has 36 colors though. Inside you get watercolor paper pads, then you get two sponges, a charcoal pencil, a separate tube of white watercolors, and you also get the same watercolor brush. I'm gonna do a small sketch using both watercolor sets on the watercolor paper pads that came with the bigger set. So please sit back and enjoy. Alright, so it's done. I really like these vibrant colors, especially the green shades. They're so unique, and I'm actually happy with both these sets. When compared with each other, the smaller one actually seems like a better value pack. So something I noticed is that after these paints dry, the colors become very chalky. It has like this powdery effect, like there's some residue. If you rub your finger over it, the pigment comes off to your fingers. This happens with poor quality watercolors, but I'm not too surprised because this is a super inexpensive Chinese brand, so I have no complaints. I just got this set because I wanted to get familiar with watercolors. That's a medium I haven't used that much. I'm not a watercolor artist. I just wanted to try them out and see how it feels. Alright, so hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and click the bell icon so you get notified when I post new videos. And I post new videos every week. Thanks for watching this, and I'll see you next time with more art videos. Bye for now.